while riding my motorcycle, I was informed by numerous people that, and I also heard it, there was a lot of rattling, vibration coming from the rear exhaust on my 2-in-1 Chromeworks exhaust pipe. So I finally got a chance today to take a look at it. And if you look right here, I have where the baffle goes into the pipe and there's play. So what's happening is my baffle going back and forth from the bike, and while it's running, it is creating all the vibration and rattling. And then upon closer observation, I look right here, and it looks like the bolt, I don't know if it's busted or there was a spacer, but I'm thinking it looks like it's kind of busted loose.